Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Kasey Marie. If you are new here, if not, welcome back. I am going to be doing a video of things that kind of work out for me and what I've been doing for my foundation routine, kind of what my daily look is if I'm doing a full glam look. I really go to this look lately. I know I haven't filmed lately. I've kind of been moving, a lot's been going on, so I am back. I got new filming equipment. I've got a ton new makeup, so I'm so excited to show you some of the new things that I've added to my collection and that kind of have been working for me. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave and give it a big thumbs up. So I'm going to be using the Farasoli Rose Gold Elixir 24K Infused Beauty Oil. I really like this stuff. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Stick Foundation. I'm actually using it in the color beige. I have been really liking this a lot lately. I tried it. I've actually been using it for quite a while, so that's what it looks like. So what I've been kind of doing with this is I kind of just put it on and I use it as a base, and I then still put foundation on top, because if you've been to my channel for a while, you know I really enjoy a good full coverage foundation. Not saying that either one is not, but I feel like I have a lot of redness and this is just kind of works best for me. And what everybody needs to know is what kind of works for me doesn't always work for everybody else. That's kind of the beauty of makeup. What works for me doesn't always work for somebody else, and what works for somebody else doesn't always work for me. So this is just how I have been doing it, and I love the finish that I get. So that's what we're gonna freaking do, okay? Why explain myself? Okay, so I'm using these Cover Fx Sunlight Enhancement Drops. All I do, I literally do Focus Foundation in Golden Beige. Just kidding. So this is what it looks like. If you guys want to know a great foundation that is super inaffordable, this is literally $5.95 at Walmart. It is so good. I have two drugstore foundations that I am in love with. It's this one and then the 24-Hour Superstay Maybelline foundation. But this one right here, this is so good. This is literally my go-to full coverage foundation routine that I'm like in love with. And literally this little $6 bottle does it for me. So again, Golden Beige. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this. I've actually used this before on my channel, so I'm sure everybody's used it. To me, so this video is going to be, again, things that I've been grabbing for, that I have been grabbing for the most, and I'm just going to do that throughout all of the products today in my video. So we're going to start off with the Soft Glam. We're going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I was going to say if you've been looking, but I mean, there's neutral palettes everywhere you go. Yes. But if you've been looking for a really good neutral palette that you kind of just can't go wrong with, or you want to travel with, or it's just something, this is what I have been reaching for the most. I really like it. It's been the colors on here. Again, it kind of does have a lot of fallout, but what Anastasia palette doesn't. So I really like this. I've been reaching for it. The consistency isn't like Subculture, obviously, with the unblendable colors and the like. It does have a lot of fallout, but I feel like it doesn't have as much as Anastasia. But I mean, I'm not really mad at fallout. That doesn't bother me. But this resembles the same formula, I feel like, as the Modern Renaissance palette. I love the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm just not really into the maroons as much as I was. Maybe when it gets back into the fall again, maybe I will be. But if you are looking for a good neutral palette that you can travel with, I feel like this bad boy is definitely in the running for it. What I've been grabbing all the time. So there is 14 shades. Yeah, I had to make sure because I was like thinking about this. So it's 14 shades. This is about $44, $45. All their palettes are about that, and I feel like there's a ton of palettes out there that are even more expensive than this, $60, up to obviously the Natasha Denona palette, which is super expensive. The KKW palettes are more than this. So I mean, I don't feel like that is crazy pricing for that, and I feel like the blendability, the pigmentation of it is so good. So all I would say is it does have fallout, but again, personally, that doesn't bother me. And again, what works for me does not always have to work for you. But that's what I'm going to be using today. I feel like the colors are so pretty. And yeah, let's get right in. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, Burnt Orange, right there. Go back. I'm gonna go in with this color right here, Rustic. Is that the right color? Yeah. Wait, no. Yeah. Rustic, right there. And I really hate that freaking name though, right there. I'm gonna grab that and go into that. I'm gonna go in with bronze right here, and I'm gonna right now I'm going to be going in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm in the shade 2.75. I'm going to bake. While I'm baking, I'm going to be using the Hula Benefit bronzer, which is really nice if you have not used this before. This is really so what I wanted to do as well is I've been using this Huda Beauty highlighting little duo. I've been using more of this color right up there the most, so I'm going to go ahead and put that on my highlight spots, and then I'll kind of show you what I go in with my next ones. I'm just like a light hand, I'll just go through. And what I really love about Huda's highlighter, and again this is, I'm sorry, the Golden Sands edition, super cute. What I love about them, they are super buttery and like wet, and like I just really like that. So I'm just gonna put it in all the places I just kind of normally would. Okay, so again that's that one, and then so I'm using the top one, which is Seychelles, I don't know, Seychelles, I think. So that's what I've been liking. And then since it's kind of wet and like dewy, I like to put this, what I've been using is this Anastasia Beverly Hills with it, and they paired up with Amarizi. I'm probably not saying that right, but I'm paired up with this, and I put this over the top, and this is really good. It literally looks like a gold plate, and it is really good. Like, has no kickback, no fallout, and it's like a pretty gold. Like, it's not like glittery. You just want that really like wet, melty, glittery look. This would definitely be the best duos. So I'm going to use a smaller brush to kind of highlight my brow bone as well. Kind of give it that kind of pop. And then next I will be going ahead and using the blush that I've been normally liking, and again I think I have a good mix of affordable and more higher end makeup. So I like this Milani powder blush, and this is the Blossom Time Rose. This is number 11. I really like these. These are definitely, I think, pigmented for their cost. And I'm going to be, this is like the more mauve-y pink that I've been using lately, because again, I try to hide the red. I don't want to bring it to the surface again, so I use a light amount. Lip gloss, and this one is matte lip, and this one's in Sellout. And then over the top, I'm going to be using the Laura Lee, the No Killer Lay Color Pop Collection, and this one's in Wham. So I'm just going to go ahead and alright guys, so that's the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching the whole entire thing. I loved sharing with you guys what my current favorite products are and what kind of my routine of a daily makeup look for myself would be. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I know you did not watch this whole video and didn't subscribe. And also, if you would, please give it a big thumbs up so I know you kind of like this video and what's going on. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time.